Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. This two-berth camper is powered by a 177 2-litre TDI diesel engine, and accompanying this is an 8-speed automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely two-tone colour combination of Reflex silver over Indium grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front we'll find a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. The Grand California sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels that come with a set of full wheel trim covers. On the driver's side of the vehicle we'll find a fuel rollout awning, and towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a high-mounted rear view reversing camera, and the vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors. This Grand California is also equipped with a tow bar, and opening up those two rear doors and taking a look into the rear boot area space of this Grand California. Storage shelves line the left and right hand side of the vehicle. On the right you'll find your gas bottle storage that can hold 2 gas canisters, and in each of the doors we'll find a single camping chair, and over on the left we'll find a camping table as well. Access from the side can be found behind a sliding door with a retractable step, and this kitchen compartment area provides a fridge freezer, and up top we'll find a twin hob burner along with a sink with a foldable tap. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the two-berth sleeping area with the comfort mattress. Up top and aligning the sides and back wall are these airline cabin style compartments, allowing you to store a variety of different items, and over in the corner we'll also find a hanging rail. Moving into the bathroom area, the Grand California features a full wet room with a retractable shower head along with a cassette toilet. There is space in the rear passenger bench for 2 passengers, and in the front we'll find 2 single seats, both with 2 armrests each. These can be swiveled round once you reach your destination. Providing guidance and entertainment is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This features inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or even listen to any of your favourite DAB radio stations. Just beneath the touchscreen we'll find the climate controls. The Grand California features climatic air conditioning as well as finding some 12V and USB Type-C charging points throughout the cab. Exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel that has a heated function. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.